Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add task reminder in Google Sheets. So here you can just open the file that you want to add the reminder. And first you need to add the extension for the add reminder. So after the add mine, you can easily find it on the add-ons in here and click on the get add-ons. So you'll be directed to the Google Workspace Marketplace. You can just search the apps, just type in add a reminder, and you'll easily find the apps that you need. This one, just install it on your Google Sheets, and after that, it will be added here to the extension. And you can just click on add reminders and set up or edit reminders in here. Click on this. So, panel will be open, the add reminders on the right here on the right side of the Google Sheet. To add a new task reminder, just click on add a new reminder, and here you can choose the column to set the reminder and choose the time to send reminder. So you can set, for example, 1 hours before. So it will be set. You can also set it days, weeks, or months, or years. After that, if you are if you share this file with others, you can also notify the other person. Click on done, and your reminder task will be set. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.